Coming up, I catch Brightline trains between southern Brevard County and Stuart, Florida. We'll start in downtown Melbourne at the Crane Creek Bridge. First up here is Bright Pink northbound. Next is the train wrapped for NYU Langone Health, also known as Bright Purple, southbound. Just a few minutes later, Bright Green passed, also southbound. This is one of the extra trains Brightline operates on Fridays and Sundays, at peak hours, just 15 minutes apart from a standard departure time. Next up is Turkey Creek in Palm Bay. Here we start with Bright Red northbound. Next is the Orlando Health wrap, southbound. Heading a few miles south to Shellpit Road for a quick catch of the Orlando Health wrap again, this time northbound. The next stop is the Sebastian River Bridge. Here we see this year's Palm Beach's wrap heading north. Moving on to the Old Dixie Highway crossing a few miles south. Here we see the Kissimmee wrap heading south. Next is the Taylor Creek Bridge in Fort Pierce. Starting here is the bright purple wrap northbound. You may notice the one not wrapped coach in the train. This was filmed after the first 5 coaches arrived to start creating 6-car trains, but before the next 5, which could fully lengthen all 10 of the trains. Because this would result in only 5 of the trains being lengthened, Brightline decided to reduce its fleet by 1 train set temporarily to donate cars to the other trains. This meant that all the trains would be 6 coaches long. This simplified scheduling as all the trains would have the same number of cars and therefore be used on any departure. And here is bright pink southbound. The unique Jensen Beach Boulevard crossing in Jensen Beach is the next stop. Bright green is the train here. We'll wrap up at the Stuart drawbridge over the St. Lucie River. Our train here is bright red. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.